Programming Hyundai push-start smart keys is primarily recommended through authorized dealerships due to security protocols that prevent unauthorized access and potential vehicle theft. Hyundai uses RFID chips and key fobs that communicate with the vehicle's ECU via low-frequency signals, 125 kHz. Pairing establishes a unique cryptographic handshake to enable push-button ignition. Dealership programming typically costs $50 to $150. Recent Hyundai models 2024-2025, such as the Sonata Hybrid and Tucson, use enhanced encryption, AES-256, making DIY programming more challenging. Over-the-air OTA software updates via Hyundai's BlueLink connected services allow some models to pair or reprogram keys remotely through the app or dealership portal. Aftermarket tools like OBD2 scanners from Autel or Launch can support basic pairing for select Hyundai models, but they require a working master key and may void your warranty. To enter programming mode, cycle the ignition by inserting the key and turning it to the on position multiple times without starting the engine. Keep the fob within 1 to 3 feet of the start button during pairing. DIY methods carry significant risks, including potentially bricking the vehicle's immobilizer system. Experts warn that this also increases theft risks, with a rise in key fob-related vehicle thefts due to cloned transponders. Trends show a shift toward digital key integration, with Hyundai adopting smartphone-based keys via NFC or Bluetooth using the Android Digital Key API. Future models may feature biometric keys, including fingerprint or facial recognition for enhanced security.